as I was saying in my last discussions, or I let you understand that immediately you possess your hosting and domain account, you have what you call login and details. Let me show you some of how those details be. Okay, let me show you one. Okay, this is the likely what you are going to get. Hmm? You can see cpanel URL. They tell you www the name of the company.com/cpanel, and they give you the password, they give the username, and this is what you are going to use. The email will come from the hosting account. For example, I'm using Ugohost, and there's a lot of them. GoDaddy, you can do search for different hosting accounts. Let me just go to Google and say hosting companies. You can see in Nigeria and anywhere. Let's say hosting companies. I can have the list of them here. These people don't write 10 best hosting services. Now you see there are a lot of them here. There's a lot. In Nigeria here we have to suffer hot host now. Ugo host. There are many. But because the owner of Ugos are very close to me, that I prefer to use someone I know so that I can interact apart from business line. But for me, their service is a little bit okay. I don't see anywhere you can get perfection. Only Allah, God, that have those ability to do 100% of everything. The human being is still going to have some shortcuts and some issue. Now, don't try. Now, and if you have access to those details, you log in. When you log in here, you come down, you see WordPress, you click on the WordPress, you do the installations as a normal interface of what we had before. Like you click on it, it takes you to where you're going to install here. You don't need to do anything. Just click on install and you put the name of the website, Duro Media, and the flag name, start today, enjoy tomorrow, website designer in Lagos Ogba. Can put anything I like here. This is very important. My domain, admin username, password, and email. Now, let me pay attention to these things. Now, for hacker, if hacker know that you are using WordPress, they may likely try admin as your username, because this is a default thing that always come. But if you see most of my own site, I will quickly change the name, and it's part of the security that you can create for your WordPress website. Don't use admin. Admin is always the default, and hacker can track that. That means if they get the name of your username, they can now be trying the password. But if the username is not even all correct, how can password goes? You get it? And that is some of the things you need to pay attention to. From this particular angle, you can even install any what we call any theme of your choice. That's just another additional thing. Now, some people may ask, okay, how can I get theme? Now, I mentioned it earlier. If you go to wordpress.org, you will see a bunch of free theme. But as you know, you see a lot of bunch of free themes. Click on theme. You see a bunch of free theme. Theme they have here, they have 10,000 free theme, 10,000. And you can see them here. There's a lot. They are good. If assuming you want to start your business, just start a small business you want to be doing, and as someone who understand that, I need to put some digital presence. I need to have something imprint on the web. Yeah, you can quickly use this, and since you can design on your own, you can quickly do this. Pick any simple theme, and do that. Are you getting me? Or you are very good in writing, you know how to write content. You can also do the same thing. Find any simple theme here. This is a news. If you are doing blogging, you can pick a news theme like this. Very simple. And use it to do your own what? Your own blog team, and be doing some news. You know how to get news, or you are writing content, anything. I get that. But let's say now you want to do a very powerful website. You have a friend of you who is into oil and gas and ask you, Auntie Mary Abdul Fatai, I want you to quickly design a very good website for me. You may not go with a free theme. You may not be able to give you what you want. Functionality, interface, very nice, interactive, lot of things. It may not give you that. The best way to go is called Team Forest. Team Forest. Hmm? If you go to Team Forest, as in name sound, Team Forest, and if you know, forest is have a lot of tree inside them, but this particular forest is a team. That means you have a thousands of team there, thousands. Think of any type of team that you need that you cannot get in Team Forest. Team Forest will give you a lot of team. I get it. You can quickly come to Team Forest. I can see you can quickly get there, create account with them. You can create account here. Although with Nigerian issue now, we need to find some payment like card to pay. To pay for the thing. That you can see WordPress theme, e-commerce template, site template, blogging, SM in CMS and content management. Content management is also WordPress, but they just use this thing to make their own market. I get me. And if you come here, just click on WordPress. You can see blog and magazine, body press, corporate, creative, directory and listing, e-commerce, education, elementor, entertainment, mobile, um real estate, retail, technology, web, miscellaneous. You see, let's check creative. If you click on creative, creative will give us different websites that fall in the what? In the creative way. And you can see they said this one is $41. They are doing discount. This one $23, and you can see team of $60. Silence is one of the biggest team. Bridge is also a very very biggest team. $69. My old best team ever is called Afada. Azada. Afada is one of the most selling team. Most selling team. Where is it? Afada. I did remove it on the repository. Where is Afada? Afada WordPress. I did remove it. That will be funny. Can't see Afada here. Can't see. I can't see here. Can't see Afada team here again. Are they throw Afada team away? Afada is one of the best team ever. That I know is most selling. Most selling WordPress team. I think they have make more than 3 million on it. More than $3 million. It's very powerful team. I don't know, maybe they have not selling it again or they have issue anyway. But I bought teams for long. I don't buy team recently. Now, and one of the team that also in that category is this bridge. It's this bridge. You can see it's best selling. You can see it here. They said $69, and how many they sold? They said they sold 195,000. If we just do arithmetic of that, you will see what that means. You see how many millions they have made from this thing. And if you check any team like that, you click on it, it will bring you the preview of that team. And that's one of the things you may need to quickly allow to check out. You need to check out that particular team. Let me click on another team again. Yeah, if you see any team that is a little bit okay with you, you may need to check it just because of Yeah, Afada is coming in. Afada is selling 800. It's 800. How much this one sell? I don't know. I'll check it back. It's 800. Hmm? Okay. They say number one best selling. You can see number one best selling. Number one best selling for the 10 years. Is be on the list for long. Hmm? It's be on the list for long. And the team has doing a lot of things. Hmm? It's very nice team. If you have your money, you may need to. This is a what do you call? Uh, B. The best is B. That you can look at different layout. They will give you different layout, and this one have three WP page builder to work on the page. WP, Elementor, Gutenberg. Okay, anyone you prefer. If you click on creative, you see a lot of creative design that when you show that website to a client, you will say, wow, Auntie Miriam, na you do this? They will say, wow. Okay, you may need to check out the theme. Don't quickly look at. You need to check out all the pages of the theme. Forget about documentation now. You are talking of the interface of that particular theme. This is the bridge. um The B theme, the bridge. You see, you need to look at them. Are they giving you exactly what you are looking for? You need to check it, see everything. They normally have different home page. Let me click on home page 3. They have normal. So you need to check everything. You see, this is another home page. So you may need to check the theme. Is it have everything you want? Is it this kind of layout you are looking for? So you need to check everything. You need to check everything before you say you put your money down to buy it. Are you getting me? They may write money back guarantee, but all those one are wahala. You're not going to get it immediately, and you want to work quickly, deliver your customer job, or you want to finish the project you are working on immediately. This is what you Afada. Afada is be on the number one prefer, and most of even some guys I know in Nigeria, they are be a very most powerful website designer in Nigeria. Their website is built on this Afada team. There's a lot of thing you may quickly gain. So if you have the money, you can buy this thing because some of these things they are multi-purpose. That's another thing. When you want to buy a team, you may look of a team with have multi-purpose. Okay, multi-purpose website team is like you have almost everything. Are you getting me? Okay, you have almost everything. There, any website you think of, you see the demo for it. You will see the demo for it. Are you getting me? There, that is when you want to buy want to buy anything, you may need to check is it that thing multi-purpose or what before you put your money there. Because like as a designer, you may not want to use one theme for like 10, 20 clients. In what do you call in this B team, they have 613 613 different interface. 600 like different layout for about 600 different business. Are you getting me? So you may need to look for that kind of you can see all these things different layout. These are different layout for different business. Jewelry, interactive link portfolio, agency, book landing, different things. Maybe someone has to do book launching, be into business, into what do you call is a publisher. You may quickly use this kind of layout for that person. I get him there. That is a lot of things you can need to look at before you buy team. Like I said, Team Forest is one of the best place to go to get your team. Just register with them, and any team you buy with them, it should be on your download folder because this is not my account. So everything will be. If you buy team in 10 years, it goes to be there. and you get updates. Only the fact they may not get support. Say if you need extended support, but personally I don't think I have any support I need from them, because I just want to use them to build the structure for the website. Yeah, I don't normally buy any support for any of the team I. But if you think you like something like that, you can play do that. That is about team. I don't know. Maybe there's any other questions, any clarifications about what I just said now, so that I can continue from there. Any questions, Madam Fatai, Auntie Mariam? All right, Auntie Mariam. All right. Now, this is we have a kind of a complete discussions concerning working with WordPress, designing the website with the WordPress. We have almost complete everything. Hmm? And